Yeah, we just sliced through that like butter. Yeehaw is right. Plenty of birch for fire.
Yeah.
Is that a beer?
I think it might be.
That'd be really cool if it was a full one. Really not cool if it wasn't. Oh yeah, never mind, not cool.
So I'm not like...
They have hammocks for sale at Aldi right now.
Ooh.
Yeah, I will. Welcome. Is that weedless?
Yeah.
Holy weeds.
Oh, hi, Bo.
Alright, gonna go paddle around looking for fish. There's way too many weeds over here, so yeah. Tired of dragging in weeds. Goodbye, weeds.
I think. Or it's some very aggressive weeds.
Which it is a fish. You are so small, brother. Nice job there. Pike! As far as you can tell.
Looks like it. Sweet.
Got her. Oh, largemouth bass. Chunk. There we go. Wow, yay.
Nice. That is a fish.
Goodbye, thank you. Yeah, it's a fish. You bring anything else besides muffins to eat? No? Gotta catch a fish then. Okay, we're eating bass tonight. Catch anything yet? Oh.
Not a fish.
Dude, that's nice. What?
Solid fish.
I'll be. Not as big as Austin's, but I caught a bluegill. Yay. Second session.
Can it bring in a fish?
Ooh, that's a nice gill, dude. Got a floating bog over here with some seagulls parting ways. Wind's kind of twisting it around right now. But we're in 8 feet of water, 7 feet of water right now. Nice little guy. A male. Baba and Wom. Baba and Wom.
Who's do you want?
Yours is going. Yeah. Get him.
Ooh.
Get him. Oh, doubling up.
That's a bog.
Yeah, this is a bog. Bog number 2.
What do I feel like
Oyster. Follow your dreams. Yeah. Cast it this bad boy. Oh, that was a good one. Dang it.
he or she?
Oh, hello, she. That's a nice she. That's a big old girl. That is fat. Look at that. Kind of at the end of that sunken tree.
Yes, yeah, right. Pretty close where you're at.
Dang. Ooh, yeah, dude.
Yeah,
Oh, and this one's a guy.
nice job.
We're doubling up on these big ones. Ooh. Oh, dang it. That was a good guy. That probably could have been the last fish of the day for keeping.
Like, you think we've got a meal, kind of?
Yeah, I think we only need like 1, 2 more maybe, depending on the size.
That was a good bite, though.
Oh, yeah.
They are present.
Ate him. What the? First perch.
Yeah, I ain't seen.
Bobber and worm, buddy. Bobber and worm.
Oh, dude,
What the hell was that?
you just sucking on it.
Oh, there you go.
Is that a keeper?
That's a keeper male. Oh, and maybe I have one too. Dude.
You do.
Alright, we're done catching.
Who wins?
We're done keeping.
Who wins? You.
We're done keeping. I don't know.
They're pretty.
They're pretty
They're
equal.
brothers.
Okay. Big fat girl. Again. Crappie.
Yeah.
That's, look how fat that one is though, dude.
Oh wow. That is
She's perganin it.
Pergante.
Pomegranate.
Perganate.
Yeah.
I don't even want to. Can we not run into the shore?
Why?
Because I'm in front.
Why? Oh yeah, he's a guy, by the way. Saw his nuts. Oh my dude, that jump's so freaking high.